Welcome to Google Slides English course. First of all, I will scroll it down. We will talk about the introduction of Google Slides. There we will teach you how you can create slides, how you can use the different features of creating slides efficiently. Then we will talk about the essential training. There you can learn about create themes, layout and background in Google Slides. You can learn about how to insert text and upload images, insert shape, table, chart, diagram. All these things are explained very in details. How to share Google Slides and collaboration with staff. You can collaborate with your staff very well while creating Google Slides. How to use arrange feature, how to import slides and make a copy in Google Slides. Then we will talk about images, format options, and insert videos in Google Slides. So this is a systematic training of Google Slides. Google Slides is a part of Google Workspace. So if you want to learn this, please subscribe this course.